Hey everybody, I'm going live today. It's been a long time since I've gone live on my Facebook feed, and I'm going live today because I'm so excited. I got something to share with you. I didn't think this was actually going to happen until Monday, but I was so happy when Leah, who's my youngest, she went and checked the mail today, and what she came in with was this. It is the new graphic novel that I just published, The Gospel According to Luke, in graphic novel style, which I have not yet seen in print form. And so I am going to share this unboxing moment with you. And I see Angie's online. Great to see you, Angie. Very cool. Thanks for joining me. Hey, so this is the third of these books that I've created. The first two, it's 2 years ago. I did the Gospel of Matthew, a cartoonist guide to Matthew. Hey, Leah. Leah's online. Good to see you. I've done the Gospel of Matthew. I've done, last year, I did the Gospel of Mark, and I did an unboxing of that book, which was really exciting. And if you aren't familiar with this, what I've done is each year, I have illustrated the entire Gospel as a graphic novel. And it's been a super fun project. So it's been 3 years running. I've spent the last year working on the Gospel of Luke. And it's all online. You can go to cartoonistbible.com and see, just go to cartoonistbible.com, click on the bookshelf and find Luke, or you can just do cartoonistbible.com/Luke, and you can see all of this artwork for free online. But this is the first time that I will be able to see it in print like these other books. So are you ready? This is going to be so much fun. Man, I'm kind of nervous because I hope it turned out, because again, I haven't seen it. So this is what it looks like if you order it on Amazon. You can just go to amazon.com, type in A Cartoonist Guide to the Gospel of Luke, and you'll be able to see it. It'll come in this simple brown box. Let's see how we open this thing. It looks like it's got perforation in a little angle here. So I'm going to try it with my bare hands first. Nope, can't do it. So I'm just going to very carefully, I think what I'll do is just tear, there we go. So I'll follow that perforation along there. Dun, dun, dun. Are you excited? Are you ready? I'm so ready. So you open it up like this, and then you open it up like this, and here's the reveal. You ready? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah. Check that out. Thanks, Leah. So excited. Cartoonist Guide to Luke. Experience the Gospel of Luke as a graphic novel. And you can see what I put on the front cover was the nativity scene, the iconic Luke-only illustration, written and illustrated by Steve Thomason. Yeah. There's the back cover, the Gospel of Luke. Good news on the way. It's the real deal. Now, here's the moment of truth. Are you ready for this? We're going to open it up, see what the inside looks like. I think the cover looks really nice. It's a little dark, but it's a dark scene. Pretty cool. And then, if we open it up, the Gospel of Luke. Yes, very cool. There it is, front page. So on front page, there is a visual index that gives you the page number. You can go to each section. Gospel of Luke is divided into 4 parts. So you can check that out. And let's see what these opening pages look like. Oh, it looks good. Here is Luke chapter 2, the thing that everybody has heard the Peanuts say on the Peanuts Christmas special. Let's see, there you go. So there's the laying Jesus in the manger. There's the host of heaven appearing to the shepherds. Oh yeah, there's the nativity scene in context. And then they take Jesus to the temple. And then 12 years later, Jesus the boy. Oh, this is exciting. So it's 24 pages of graphic novel. And it looks like it turned out great. I'm very excited. Here's one of the cool things I like about this gospel is that Luke really emphasizes the role of the women in Jesus' life. And So we've got Mary Magdalene, Joanna, Susanna, and many other women who actually financially supported Jesus' ministry. So it's all there. Hey, when I get done with this, I will put a link to how you can get this. There's lots of different ways you can access this book. It is, you can buy it in print like this through Amazon. And hey, if you would like a signed copy of this book from me, I would love to get that to you. Just message me and we'll work it out, and I'll tell you how much it is for shipping and everything. But I'd love to give you a signed copy. Maybe you want to give it to your friends. That would be awesome. So I'm very, very excited about it. You can get it in this print copy now officially. My project is done. Or you can download that same book as a PDF for $5 on the store at cartoonistbible.com/Luke. And all of the pages individually you can download absolutely free. And I put them into a PowerPoint format where you can actually present the story to your classroom or to your congregation if you're a preacher, and talk through the text with this graphic novel style. So it's super cool. This is why I do this, is so that people can engage the actual text of the Bible in a fresh way. Hey, I'm so glad that it turned out. Thanks for joining me today. And if you want, I'd love for you just to share this video with your friends. Let them know that the book's available. And hey, we'll see you next time.